Are the One Small Town seeds GMO seeds? The answer to that is absolutely no, a categorical no. We use very special sound, resonance, and frequency and magnetic fields to treat our seeds to activate their primordial DNA. So we actually, in essence, we strip away the any kind of genetic manipulation that was enforced onto that seed, onto its genetic structure. We actually neutralize it and bring it back to its primordial state, and therefore make the seeds and the DNA a lot stronger. So the answer to that is no. The One Small Town seed treatment process is not a GMO process. But, then you got to look at what does it mean genetically modified. If we strip away the Monsanto GMO markers and things they put in there, we have genetically modified that seed. So, we got to be careful how we use the word genetically modified seeds. Yes, we've modified the DNA, but we have not modified it to the detriment of those who consume it or use it. We have modified the DNA so that it is a more stable primordial DNA that was intended to be part of that particular plant or seed.